Hello friends, this is the first video of the lab 5, that is the Computer System Security and Laws, the CSSL subject for the final year of the Bachelor of Computer Science and Engineering graduates. So this is the list of experiment in this subject from 1 to 10. In this we are going to see the various tools which are used for network security. Like you can see here, the first two experiments are on the Nmap tool, that is the NetworkMapper. Then these two experiments, the experiment number 3 and 4, are for Wireshark, are on Wireshark tool, which is used for network analysis. And then we have we will see the JCrypt tool also. Then some algorithms for encryption, RSA algorithm, and then the Kerberos, which is a case study, and one IDS tool, that is the Snort, and then finally the study of IT Act, that is the cyber security laws. So we will see one by one. So basically we will start with the Nmap, and the first experiment is demonstration of the Nmap, that is NetworkMapper. So what is an Nmap tool? So NetworkMapper, basically it is an open source free software for the network discovery and the security auditing. It is mainly used by many network administrators. It uses raw IP packets to determine which hosts are available on the network, what services those hosts are offering, what operating systems they are running, and many more. It is basically developed in C language by Gordon Loin, which is the father of Nmap, which is also known as Fyodor. It also supports the ping scanning, which is, what is the ping scanning? It means to find out which hosts are up in the network, and port scanning too. Port scanning means which ports are open. Actually, it is also it was even featured in many Hollywood films also. If you might have seen the Matrix Reloaded, Die Hard, and the Bourne Ultimatum, right? So we will see the demonstration of this Nmap. Okay, so here is the Nmap Zenmap GUI. So actually Nmap is the NetworkMapper tool. You can install only Nmap also, but you have to deal with it with your command prompt. But if you want to GUI, then this is the Zenmap tool. So with the Zenmap, you will be provided with a very good GUI. So with that you can scan the ports or the ping scan your network, many hosts, right? So we will see one by one. For example, you can enter here your target, that is the host ID, the IP address, or simply URL also. So if you enter here www.google.com, the command will be automatically come in this command bar, nmap/t4av www.google.com, and when you click on scan, you can see the output of the Nmap in this window, Nmap output. You can see details, that is which ports are open, and the details about ports or the host in this window. The topology used in the network, you can see the graphical view of this network topology, that is your localhost is here, your system, and in which manner and in which topology other systems are connected. So right now my system is not connected to any network, right? And in this the various scans are there. So you can see here its result is done, and it has said that IP address 0 scanned in, because my system is not connected in the network. When as soon as I will connect it to the network, all the output will you can show here, right? Okay, so this is the simple use of the Nmap tool to demonstrate to see which hosts are up, and the ping scanning also, and the port scanning also, right? We will see one short video clip also by which it is used. You can see, okay, this video also. So in this video you can see that the use of Nmap in the Matrix Reloaded movie. You can see here. Okay, so we will pause it so that you can see more clearly. So have you seen it? Right? So in this you can see that here Nmap run completed, one IP address, one host up, and the IP address is 10.2.2.2, right? So this is the use of Nmap actually, and then you can exploit these, or you can contact with that IP address, you can send the packets, right? So this is the just video clip of the Matrix Reloaded movie. You might have seen this movie. Thank you guys.